Hello everybody, hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to demonstrate three different sounds about thunder tube. Sound number one involves the large thunder tube, and we call this sound whiplash sound. So we're gonna hold the thunder tube in the center and we're gonna move to the right really quickly and then snap back to the center. Now, if the spring hits the body of the thunder tube, that's fine. I don't mind if that sound is heard. Again, we're gonna snap to the right and return, or if you're left-handed, you can snap to the left and return to the center. There we go. Let's see here. Let's do it faster this time. All right, so that was the whiplash sound for the large thunder tube. The second sound that I use in my work called wah-wah sound. As the name, it's obvious from the name, it involves basically two thunder tube and the wah-wah sound, which we start both thunder tube in a closed position and then we're gonna open and close. Usually I have a rattle or tremolo sign, and you can basically see that in the score. And then after that, I have 16 note in the open and closed position, back and forth, and sometimes I have quintuplets. So I'm gonna do a little bit of rattle. So we're gonna close and open with your index, middle, and ring finger. And make sure that it's closed position, rattle. You can even use these three fingers to, create and support that wah-wah sound. Kind of slightly hitting the body of the thunder tube. So that was the wah-wah sound with two thunder tube. And the last sound, it involves the closed position that gradually goes to the open position, and it's called pinch sound. So whenever you see pinch sound, meaning we're gonna have the pinch sound, and we're gonna just pull the string slightly and in a closed position, and then we're gonna open. So close to open, close position to open position. There we go. So that was pinch sound going from close to open. So cup hand, close the top, and then pull the string slightly, release it. So that was the pinch sound. So we went over 3 techniques today, and we are done. This is it for today. 3 more techniques. Thank you for listening and have a great day. Goodbye.